thing I also today. Tommy in one night time, the other train cannot sleep. Cannot sleep today. But what because it because well because what they can't sleep. Hey, we need a story. Oh yeah, we need a story. But everybody know what story can be about? No, don't actually know what story to okay. I know what story I can tell about. We can talk about a three-railway engine. Railway engine. Oh yeah, that story came to book it though. Maybe I was a story and I heard a story about the railway engine. Who are doing what? Me, help we and Gordon. Yeah, we are a first word and we came to a railway. Okay, tell her. Yeah, tell our story. Yeah. Okay, okay, while the power time, a long time ago, it by the 80, 194.5 we all go. Yeah, to the all said three Gordon, me and help me. Yeah, the railway was quiet at first. Yeah. We work for the top hat. The top hat brought a hero, yeah? He was a controller by then. He probably was a little bit around by then. So, it was night though. One day, at work, one day, I was in a shower a little bit. Go there and we got team me. Hey, we got me by then, but look. And one day, the driver won't shoot you again. He got a big old troll and you like, and my driver environment felt sorry for me. And they say, do you want to come out today? Oh yeah, please. So they are fire. They put fire on me, put water in me, and I go. So I was shocked it out of walk on my breath ride. Yeah, I really walk do that. Yeah, I was happy. I was pulling my train today. And I told Gordon I am going out tomorrow. And Gordon said, wait. I will teach you. I must try and then Gordon got the diet. I will show you how more you for a big blue engine. Hopefully they'll bring that in class. And what the I decided I'm gonna shot quotient. No, yeah, I thought my at me to shot car. Yeah, though, is that a Gordon, is that going to put like trying to Gordon put a good train? A good train, a train, a man, a shame on it. What? Put a good train, not nothing about put a good train. No, it's not a put job for me. I bigger. I choose to report to not put to no stupid good train. I'm Gordon. I did every shot airport with. Oh boy, I hate good train. Yeah. Gordon done a white for good train. Yeah, won't tell you story. Yeah, but he put a battery on, like put it in a big hill on the railway. Cause he sure we get stuck always all the time. Yeah, we know that. Yeah, so you know, but what we always get stuck on his heel all the time. Oh my goodness! I don't even expect who tried to push him. It means I push him. That time my tribal environment well actual top half day. It was. They were my friend. I need you to pull it. I need you to go this stuff on the hill again. I find you need to pull. Oh no! Every freaking time at what? I will go push. I will go push him. I go there, I try to push. Why you get a rival engine? Yeah, rival engine. Go ahead, come on, I just go push, come on. Go ahead, come on, you gonna try? I can do it. I will do it. I can't do it. I will do it. I done it. Nah, he always, every time he get here push, he never ever thank you. I sure have, he every time. I sure have a talk with the Tommy hat. Try to want to think what. That not was a good story. Don't worry. I have no story. This story about Hitler now. What it gonna be this time? Hitler stuck in a tunnel. Oh, now for that story. Hey, what did you tell us? Well, I might have find one wet at me. No, I will tell the story to you. We're not laughing. Yeah. Well, okay. Let me get to my story. Well, on Wednesday, there was a train who flew away. Hit a little big green engineer hit me. He spit a deal. And what? He actually deal. Yeah. Help me say, with air power, and now out with out again. Yeah, he tribal environment and he argue with him that what they do know what he at. So they come to Tommy Hat. And Tommy Hat say, we will push you out. So Elliot push Hitler. If that's for Tommy Hat. And Tommy Hat say, my daughter, so they I cannot push. You try to pull Hitler. Elliot pull her. But that's for Tommy Hat. My daughter will beg me to pull. So they each try with an engine. But engine try to push Hitler, but Hitler didn't we out the tower get off. Even the Tommy Hat get off. The Tommy Hat built a big war between the front and back of the tower. Hitler stayed well for a couple of days, not too long, too quick. But a few days later, Gordy was coming down in main line. He was happy to he gonna help me. Gordy about to make fun of him too. He stopped. He doesn't want to think. Gordy. Davy Brown blah walk. He tried with 5 minutes for Matt. I tried that Gordon. We should check those things about before we leave. What? I try to keep people wait our time. And Gordon, we show it. We show it. Wait for. We show each other 30,000 before we left. You know what we gonna do now? And he do help with a big grandeur and call out the help with. I think you call now. Do you want to take? Do you want to help with Gordon? A breath? Do you want it to take over his plane? Oh, okay, sure. Edward. Edward. Still on. Oh, we have back engine. Okay, sure. Hey, how about me? Gordon, I'm afraid you wait for how. But now, it's back and more important. So, let's go. Let's show them. Let's do it. We'll show them. So, Edward help me to all the big black tray that was going to go put the pool. So we got the black train to a station. And I'll try how yeah. You guys did a good job. Did. I have we got to do. What? We got to keep going. So, all together, we brought Gordon, we put Gordon back to the thing what he'll get, he'll think about, and all together, we went to and that's how a time we came friends forever. Yeah. Well, that was a very good story. Well, I thought Tommy was full and Jim came to our doing until you help me. All four original came to our doing book. Wow, I want a pie. Yeah, me too. Well, I thought one came for TV. Tommy, we know. Hey. Tommy, how about I tell you, how you can, who we kill the finish train? Well, what? Yeah, Pookie. I will tell you that story, but I will tell you another time how I came to Iron. Number one, yeah. I will tell you another time. Yeah. So right now, we'll all go to sleep. Yeah. So, everyone fully asleep. Every story makes every story makes everyone go to sleep. Oh, yeah. And that was a good story. So right now, bye, folks. Oh, hi, guys. The Edward. Thanks for watching a free will reaction who came to our island for the very first time. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Yeah, leave a comment down below and hit a like button to subscribe if you like it. Yeah, and more comments for episode coming through. Yeah, and guys, you all hear a story about how Tommy became a #1 engine. That another story for another day. But guys, if you guys want to hear it, we'll comment down below. You tell us by the comment, and then the episode, maybe one episode, we will tell a story about how Tommy came famous. Yeah, how can a number one famous Andrew? Okay, guys, and all on stage. Okay, guys, we'll comment down below. About to subscribe, and more episodes coming through. Yeah, and stay tuned for day hour comment. Yeah, we gonna make that with August. Those two shows coming through, and peace.